In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the fascinating world of killer whales, also known as orcas. These majestic creatures are the largest members of the dolphin family and are known for their intelligence, powerful presence, and a unique hunting strategy, from using their own wake to break up ice-knocking seals into the water to chasing down great white sharks only to eat their livers, leaving the rest of the body. Yes, that really happens. Let's dive in. Killer whales can be found in oceans all around the world, from the frigid waters of the Arctic to the icy expanses of Antarctica. Their striking black and white coloration makes them instantly recognizable with their sleek bodies and iconic dorsal fins. These incredible creatures have captured the fascination of humans for centuries. Adult males, or bulls, can reach lengths of up to 30 feet and weigh over 6 tons, making them the apex predator in the ocean. One of the distinguishing features of killer whales is their complex social structure. They live in a tight-knit family group called pods. Within a pod, you'll find several generations from grandparents to calves. The bond between pod members is incredibly strong and forms the foundation of their social lives. It's also fair to note that killer whales are actually not whales. They are the largest member in the dolphin family. Now, let's uncover the remarkable feeding habits of killer whales. These apex predators have a diverse diet and employ unique hunting techniques. Killer whale pods have different hunting strategies that are passed down from generation to generation based on different locations around the world. Killer whales are opportunistic feeders, meaning they take advantage of various food sources available in their environment. Their diet primarily consists of fish such as salmon, herring, and even larger species like tuna and seal. But what sets killer whales apart is their ability to adapt and specialize in hunting specific prey. In some regions, they have developed a taste for seals, sea lions, and even other marine mammals. This versatility allows them to thrive in a wide range of habitats. One extraordinary hunting strategy employed by certain killer whales is called wave washing or wave hunting. They create waves by swimming in unison, which helps dislodge seals from ice floes or beaches. This technique demonstrates the intelligence and cooperative nature of these magnificent creatures. Another notable hunting technique used by killer whales is called carousel feeding. In this strategy, they surround a school of fish and swim in a circular motion, creating a whirlpool effect that corrals the fish into a tight group. This makes it easier for them to capture their prey. Killer whales are also known for their breaching behavior during hunting. They propel themselves out of the water, sometimes leaping high into the air before landing with a powerful splash. While the exact purpose of this behavior is not fully understood, it may serve as a way to stun or disorient their prey. They have been found to target great white and other sharks, attacking them only to eat the livers with a precision cut rivaling a doctor in an operating room. It's fascinating to witness the intelligence and adaptability of these magnificent creatures as they employ different hunting techniques depending on their location and available prey. However, it's important to note that while killer whales are highly skilled hunters, they are also part of a delicate ecosystem. Overfishing and pollution can disrupt the balance of their habitats and affect their food sources, which is why conservation efforts are crucial. With their impressive hunting strategies and ability to thrive in diverse environments, killer whales truly embody the apex predator of the ocean. We continue to learn more about their feeding habits, and each new discovery deepens our admiration for these incredible creatures. Let's take a closer look at their fascinating social structure. These incredible creatures live in tight-knit family groups known as pods. Each pod is led by a matriarch, typically the oldest female, who plays a crucial role in guiding and protecting the group. The bond between pod members is incredibly strong, and they rely on one another for survival. Pods can vary in size, ranging from just a few individuals to over 40 members. Within the pod, there is a hierarchy based on age and experience. The older individuals, especially females, often hold the highest social status and are responsible for making important decisions. Communication is essential within a pod, and killer whales have developed a complex system of vocalizations. These vocalizations, often referred to as dialects, are unique to each pod and serve as a way for individuals to recognize one another and maintain social bond. Killer whales are highly social animals, and they engage in various activities together. They are often seen breaching, spy hopping, or tail slapping, which are forms of communication and play among pod members. Interestingly, pods can also come together to form larger groups called superpods. These gatherings create opportunities for socializing, mating, and sharing information. It's a remarkable display of cooperation and unity among these intelligent creatures. The social structure of killer whales not only provides a sense of belonging, but also enables them to coordinate hunting strategies and protect one another from potential threats. Understanding the intricate social dynamics of killer whales is essential for appreciating their complex lives and the importance of preserving their natural habitats. In this segment, we'll explore the migration patterns and range of killer whales. These magnificent creatures undertake remarkable journeys in search of food and to fulfill their reproductive needs. Killer whales are highly migratory animals, traveling hundreds or even thousands of miles. They follow the movements of their prey, such as salmon, to ensure their survival and maintain a balanced ecosystem. Their range is vast, from the cold waters of the Arctic to the warmer regions near the equator. Killer whales showcase adaptability to different climates and can be found in coastal, offshore, and even estuarine environments. Establishing territories and home ranges within their habitats is essential for feeding, breeding, and social interactions. Understanding their range helps scientists monitor population sizes and health. Welcome to the segment where we address the critical topic of conservation and the challenges faced by killer whales in their natural habitats. While these majestic creatures inspire awe, they are also vulnerable to various threats. Pollution poses a significant risk to killer whales. Contaminants like plastics and chemicals can accumulate in their bodies, affecting their health and reproductive success. Habitat degradation is another concern. Human activities such as coastal development and dredging disrupt the ecosystems that killer whales rely on for feeding, breeding, and social interactions. Overfishing is a major challenge. When their prey species are overexploited, it disrupts the food chain and can lead to food scarcity for these top predators. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these incredible creatures. Scientists, researchers, and conservation organizations work to study and monitor killer whale populations, gather data, and advocate for policies that safeguard their habitats. And that brings us to the end of our video on killer whales. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into their world and learned something new about these magnificent creatures. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on killer whales, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care